In this video, we'll show you how to make a necklace with a lot of large recycled or repurposed beads. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories and house or home accessories. If you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. As you see from the picture, there's a lot of elements going on in here, so I'm gonna show them one by one. So first of all, I want to show you all my large repurposed beads. So my aim is to do a multi-chain necklace, a really fancy one. So I've got the large beads, the small beads, which are these ones. So I've got several of them with different kind of colors and textures or shapes. I also do have some more. I've got two large repurposed wood plaques. I've got the cord endings or necklace endings, which I've got a 7 liner. And here I've got jump rings, two different sizes, 4 and 7 millimeters, and I've got some more endings as well. So I've got, this is the clasp. I've got flowers and florets. I do have a ruler. What else? Yes. So for the plaques, I do have a 4 millimeter wire. Got a needle with a big eye. So this is the thread. It's a wax cotton, very strong for this type of necklace. What is this one? And I also do have nail polish or gold if I need to use it on the thread. So I've got my tools. I've got this one, which is the cold heated gun and the glue stick, pliers. I've got some more glue or craft glue, scissors, thread cutters, wire cutters, pickers or tweezers. They're my miracle pickers. These are half beads. And some more flowers, which are 3D flowers. So let's start. First of all, I will just want to work on the plates. We will do it with 7, so the first line, and the whole purpose of this necklace is to hold close as close as possible to the neck, just to make the neck look more fine and elongated. Beautiful, elegant, and it's going to go a bit crazy and unique on the style. And for the last part, I just found this one to put on the 7th row or chain. So it'll be on this. So this is our necklace, multiple chain, multiple color and multi-dimensional, which still we have kept the natural tones in here, especially browns and yellows and orange. So I'll show you how it looks otherwise worn on.